Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, elevated, two-story container home nestled amidst lush greenery. Hyper-realistic rendering showcasing a meticulously designed space. The home is constructed from dark gray shipping containers, juxtaposed with warm, natural-toned wood decking and accents. The containers feature large glass sliding doors, providing panoramic views onto multiple decks and gardens. The upper deck has a lounge area and dining space, surrounded by potted plants and lush greenery. The lower-level decks include smaller seating areas, with a variety of plants, offering a serene and tranquil atmosphere. Extensive decking connects the floors, flowing seamlessly into the outdoor environment. A modern, minimalist shipping container home nestled within a lush, green forest setting. Hyper-realistic rendering. The container is dark charcoal gray, with large glass sliding doors opening onto a dark gray deck. A small, contemporary fire pit is centered on the deck with flames visible. The deck is surrounded by various shades of green grass. The forest backdrop consists of mature trees in varying shades of deep green with a soft diffused sunlight, muted tones and natural light. Some wildflowers and shrubs are scattered throughout the grassy areas leading up to the home. A tropical jungle cabin, built from dark gray shipping containers, nestled amongst lush greenery. Mid-level shot, depicting a wooden deck extending from the structure, surrounded by various tropical plants, ferns, and banana trees. The lighting is soft and warm, highlighting the greenery and creating an intimate ambience, like the evening glow. The containers are stacked in a two-level design, with the upper level featuring an open-air balcony with glass railings. The setting is an enclosed tropical garden, with a mix of large and small plants creating a dense, verdant backdrop. The colors are predominantly dark greens, browns, and grays, with touches of warm yellowish-orange light illuminating the structure and the plants. A cozy, modern container home nestled within a lush tropical garden. Mid-journey, photorealistic style. The container home, dark gray metal exterior, has a light brown, wooden interior accent wall and a sloped mossy green roof. Large glass doors open onto a wooden deck, surrounded by vibrant greenery, including ferns, palms, and other tropical foliage. Warm, golden lighting from string lights and natural light illuminate the scene. Potted plants in various sizes and shapes are strategically placed throughout the garden and on the deck. The deck is a rich caramel color. The garden path is made of light gray flagstone pavers. A modern, glass-walled house overlooking a serene lake at twilight. Hyper-realistic rendering style. The house's structure is sleek and minimalist, featuring large expanses of dark, reflective glass that seamlessly connect the interior to the surrounding landscape. The interior boasts warm, natural tones, likely wood furnishings, and subtle lighting that casts a golden glow. The trees surrounding the house are ablaze with autumnal colors, a mix of oranges, reds, and yellows. The lake is a deep, tranquil blue-gray, reflecting the soft twilight sky. The overall mood is one of quiet elegance and tranquil beauty. Focus on the smooth transition between the interior living areas and the outdoor natural setting. A vibrant, outdoor scene of stacked shipping container houses. Two orange-red shipping containers are stacked, forming a two-story structure. The lower container has large folding glass doors that open onto a wooden deck. The upper container has large windows, also with a slightly tilted view that allows for a sense of depth. A variety of greenery, including palm trees, tropical plants, and banana leaves, surrounds the containers, creating a lush garden setting. The containers are placed in a yard or courtyard with short, clipped grass and light gray paving stones. Natural daylight bathes the scene. The sky is a light, clear blue. The color palette is bold, with the orange-red container color contrasting with the greenery. A vibrant, outdoor scene of stacked shipping container houses. Two orange-red shipping containers are stacked, forming a two-story structure. The lower container has large folding glass doors that open onto a wooden deck. The upper container has large windows, also with a slightly tilted view that allows for a sense of depth. A variety of greenery, including palm trees, tropical plants, and banana leaves, surrounds the containers, creating a lush garden setting. The containers are placed in a yard or courtyard with short, clipped grass and light gray paving stones. Natural daylight bathes the scene. The sky is a light, clear blue. The color palette is bold, with the orange-red container color contrasting with the greenery. A cozy, tropical container home nestled in a lush garden. A large, orange-red shipping container, with modern, dark metal accents, forms a pergola-like structure with a wide overhang. The container's interior is bathed in warm, inviting light from lamps and a chandelier. Rustic wooden decking leads up to the container, featuring reclaimed wood steps creating an intimate porch-like area for relaxation. Brown wicker furniture and colorful throw pillows are arranged on the deck. A small, wooden table and stools are situated inside the container near an area to prepare food and drinks. Numerous lush tropical plants and banana trees surround the structure. A tropical courtyard pool oasis with a modern, wooden cabin-style building. Mid-level outdoor shot of a rectangular pool with teal-green water, surrounded by a stone patio and lush landscaping. Dark gray lounge chairs line the pool's edge, resting amongst various tropical plants including palm trees, ferns, flowering plants, and other greenery. The wooden building features multiple levels with balconies. The exterior is a warm honey brown wood tone. Large windows and sliding glass doors offer views into the courtyard and pool area. String lights are draped around the building. A modern, stylish, two-story residential home built from dark gray shipping containers, situated on a deck overlooking a city skyline at twilight. Hyper-realistic rendering. The home features a large, glass-enclosed living area with a modern kitchen and dining area, leading to an outdoor swimming pool. The deck is made of dark brown wood planks, with lush green plants and small flower beds. Tropical-style greenery is planted around the structure and the pool area. Warm light emanates from the windows and interior of the home, and soft, ambient lighting illuminates the plants and deck. The city skyline visible in the background is illuminated with lights, creating a beautiful contrast of light and dark. A modern, minimalist beachside container home. Coastal setting, bright sunny day, clear blue sky. Hyper-realistic style, showcasing details of the container home's construction, the wooden deck, and coastal foliage. The home is dark navy blue metal, with a light-toned wooden overhang and a large glass sliding door that opens to a deck with light brown wooden planks. The deck has a simple, modern design with metal supports and a gradual incline leading down to the ocean. Several metal chairs and a rectangular table are positioned on the deck with an orange cushion-like throw on a small wooden bench structure. A bright, airy, and cozy coastal-style living area. Open concept with a loft-style design. White shiplap walls, light hardwood laminate floors. Deep navy blue sofa with white and blue striped throw pillows. A large round rope is hung on the off-white wall on the left. A navy blue kitchen island with light gray/beige countertop and bar stools anchors the kitchen area. White shaker-style cabinets surround the kitchen. Natural wood accents are present throughout, including a rustic wooden coffee table and a weathered wooden chest/side table. Large windows offer views of the outdoors. A metal staircase with light brown steps leads up to the loft area with wooden outdoor chairs and a railing. A modern, sustainable, and aesthetically pleasing building constructed from shipping containers. The containers are a light, warm orange-brown color, contrasted by dark gray metal framing and supporting structures. A large wall of various potted plants in distinct wooden planters and vertical green walls, creating a living facade, covers the exterior side of the structure. The plants are diverse, representing various textures and shades of green. A set of expansive, sliding glass doors allow natural light to flow into the interior space, and are visible from the ground, showing the interior design, which is apparent through the glass. A modern, sustainable home constructed from shipping containers, featuring lush vertical gardens. Hyper-realistic, outdoor shot of a multi-story house. The containers are dark gray metal, and the interior walls and beams are a dark brown/black timber. The vertical gardens are vibrant shades of green, with various planters and foliage. The floor is a warm, light brown wooden decking, and spotlights illuminate the landscaping and ground. The house sits on a grassy yard with tropical plants and trees surrounding it against a backdrop of rolling hills and a cloudy sky in soft natural light. The container design is elevated, supported by dark metal beams. Windows are large and rectangular, providing ample natural light which is reflected off the trees.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.